Hi unicorns, welcome to my channel. My name is Enshlie. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. I create beauty videos and I do story times, I do skincare Sundays, and I do plenty of other things like vlogging and more. So if you guys are interested in that, why not? You're already here, you're already watching me. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you guys know when I post a video, and then you can watch it with me and I'll comment with you guys and talk live with you guys when I post a video. So in today's video, I'm going to be using the Juvias Place Masquerade palette, which is this one right here. And I'm going to be using a lot of drugstore products mostly, but this is kind of like a crazy festival look. We're getting rid of everything natural because I'm over it. The nude series was way too long and she's here. New backdrop. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this crazy look, then please keep watching. Don't forget to like and comment a little unicorn down below, and I'll be replying to every single one of your comments. So just keep watching. So the good old nude series days are over and we're gonna start with a new one. So we're gonna be using the Juvias Place Masquerade palette. This is a mini one, but it's still like a pretty fair size, as you can see. And I'm gonna go ahead with this color right here. And I'm gonna start playing with my crease. I'm not too sure what I want to do, but I have an image in my head, so I hope it comes to life. So I just want to draw over here, and I'm going to be cutting my crease anyways, which is why I'm doing it so far up. And I'm just blending that out by going back and forth. I'm not really doing no circular motions because I want it to be precise. Alright, so it looks something like that. I'm going to go ahead with the Decay by Juvias Place. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Creme. So I'm just going to blend it up here. I know it looks hella crazy right now, but I promise you, you guys are going to love it at the end. I'm going to go in with the Marquez palette, and I'm going in with Passion Fruit, which is this one right here. This is to darken up the crease, and that way it'll have like some saturation going on because it all looks like one color right now, and I don't really want that. So okay, now I'm going to use my Born This Way concealer in order to cut my crease. Alright, so I pretty much cut the crease on one end, and I want to leave this line there in between because we're going to be adding some fun to that. We're going to be adding some glitter, a lot of glitter actually, to this look, so I want to leave that line there. I'm going to go in with the shade Bori, and I'm going to put that all over, well not really, more to the center of my eye. So I want to be very careful because I do not want to touch the line above. So I'm just going to start tapping it in the center and basically dragging it out, but we still want it to be all over the center of that lid. I'm going to go ahead with the shade Passion Fruit, which we used earlier from the Marquez palette, and I'm going to do kind of like a wing look. So I'm grabbing an angled tapered brush, and I'm just going to trace that line that I had already made from the beginning. Which is why I didn't really clean my under eyes, because there was no actual point in doing that. And then I kind of want to trace where I'm going to have my line at. Remember, we're leaving a space in between. And I'm going to grab this brush and going in with the shade Chocolate, right here. And that's just to darken up the look a little bit in this corner, but I'm going to go back in with the purple. Alright, and now I'm going to go back in with Passion Fruit. That is looking right. I'm just going to go into my other eye way later, but I kind of want to concentrate on this one for now, and then I'll just, you know, skip that part. I'm going to go in with Bori from the Masquerade palette, and it's the same shade we used for the center, just to bring the color back in. that is looking hella cute. I don't know about you, but I love color, and I don't think I'm ever gonna go back to doing natural looks because color is just really my thing. I'm gonna go in with Midnight Cowboy, and I'm gonna use this for my line. And make sure when you're doing this, because it could transfer, make sure that your eyes are always looking down. I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Glue, which is this guy right here. And I'm going to be using the Enshlie Cosmetics and the Glit Your Life Glitter. This one is in the shade Festival, and it's just a bunch of little stars and silver things. This one is in the shade Dazzle by Glit Your Life, and it has like blues, pinks, and like some squared type things. So we're going to mix all of that together. I might add some more stuff, but I'll just see how it goes with these two at first. I'm also going to be using the NYX Glitter. This is a silver one. I think it's called Crystal. Now that I have that, I'm going to use a Covergirl. This is a Get In Line liner, and I'm going to do a quick line here just to get everything all together. Apply my Miami Lashes by Lilly Lashes. My face is full of glitter, which I'm kind of pissed about. So I want to try something new. Something that I've been doing on my clients, and I love how it looks on them. So I haven't tried it on myself, but we are going to right now. I'm using the Shayna B On Point Blender. I already used it for my eyes, which is why it's dirty. But we're going to apply some, I'm going to be applying the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. So now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to be using this to contour my face. And this is what I told you guys that I've tried on my clients, and I absolutely love it. So I saw this trick where instead of placing it down here and all the way down, you just kind of place it up here. Like right there, which looks really freaking weird, but I've tried it on multiple people before already, and it looks amazing. So I just want to try it on myself. I want to go in with my Fenty foundation brush to blend that all out. So what I'm going to be doing with this is just bringing it up here. What this does is it creates a more flawless, defined look. Not as defined as having like the whole contour coming down here, but I feel like it looks more natural when you do it this way. I can do an in-depth tutorial on this if you guys want, so I can explain how and why and where and when I started doing this. Just let me know down below in the comments, and I'll go ahead and do that for you. I know, it looks crazy right now, but give it a minute. Let me do the thing, and I promise you it'll look good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my concealer and then blend everything out. I just want you guys to see what it looks like right now. This is with everything blended out. I haven't gone in with any powders, but I'm going to go ahead and set my face a little bit with the RCMA powder, and I'm going to finish off the rest of my face. For bronzer, I'm going to use a Master Bronze by Maybelline. I'm in love with this right now. With my Tarte brush, and I like to use this orangey shade, the third one right here. I think that one is beautiful, and it blends out like amazing. I don't know, like wow. For blush, I want to be going in with the Make Them Blush by Pretty Vulgar. It's this intense type of blush. That's exactly what we want. All the drama, all the smoke. I'm going to go in with my Master Chrome Molten Rose Gold highlight. I love this. It's my new favorite. Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink. This is in the shade Seductress. So I just did my under eyes and put on some mascara, and I want to put on my Wet n Wild Libra lip gloss. Now I want more from this look, so I'm gonna go ahead with my Stila Glitter and Glow in Queen and Monarch, and I'm using this for highlight, guys. Alright guys, so that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this more pinkish, colorful festival look type of thing. If you guys did, go ahead and subscribe down below. I do giveaways. I would say like every month I do a giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed and turn on your post notifications in order to enter any of my giveaways. So if you guys want to do that, make sure you do those 2 steps. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at UNICORNENSH, which will be right here somewhere. And I will follow you back. I try to follow everyone back, or just send me a message and I'll follow you back. But thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys down there in the comments and discussing this crazy look that I came up with. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one, which will appear right now.